In this video, I'm going to show you the coolest tool that has come out in architecture right now. It's Synapse.app, and you can try it for absolutely free in the description below. And right in front of me, I have an apartment, which is a small studio apartment drawn inside Synapse.app, in which, by the way, it's not only another like AI gimmicky tool. As you can see, you can do like full-on manual drawings for any sort of design. You also have available all of these 2D assets you can just drag and drop onto the floor plan, and that's exactly how this apartment floor plan has been created. This is all a great user experience and it's very helpful. However, where I think Synapse is going to shine is in the AI features that are being developed. So for example, if I do a 9x24 with an 8.67 rectangle, right? And then I have it selected and I go here to the floor plan generation. I can just type in 2-bedroom apartment, click send, and in about 2 seconds we're gonna have an apartment generated like this, which is not perfect. As you can see, it still needs to put some of the windows in place. What is great is that it's fully editable and it's a lot faster than manual drafting, and this is still in beta mode, so you can imagine kind of what can get done once all of this is finalized. You'd basically be able to very easily just draw multiple rectangles like this and get done with a full apartment unit in a few seconds, basically just by typing and drawing rectangles, which is awesome. The other cool part that comes in inside Synapse is that this camera tool right here, you can press once for the actual starting point, and then you can give it an angle to something like this. And then basically what you can do is you can go here at the 14mm wide shot in order to increase the focal length. And if you actually press live rendering, you can see that this has automatically been 3D modeled in the cloud. So you do not need to do any 3D modeling. So once you're basically drawing these walls, you also have the 3D model right here. And then if we switch to image generation, and if we have the camera selected, I can just type in create a realistic living room in an apartment in New York City. Keep it very contemporary in terms of style. The windows should be full height, floor to ceiling, with a full size balcony. Right? So if I just click send in this prompt, in 9.8 seconds, we take this view into a realistic view, just like this, which is in real scale. So for example, if I have the image selected, I can just type in make the flooring dark herringbone. Then we can say make the flooring light chevron, and then we can say make the flooring walnut wood parquet. So I can click send, and in 9.8 seconds, all three of the options will be generated for us. So we have the light chevron, we have the dark herringbone, and these two are a bit too similar, but basically what we can do is make the flooring gray parquet. Now we're gonna have three options that we can select from, and then we obviously can iterate from there. Then from this, we can continue in terms of editing it further. What we can tell it as well is, for example, we can say, make the walls navy blue, and then we can say make the walls olive green, and we can click send. And now we're gonna have two options for the wall colors as well. So you can see this is the fastest way to kind of iterate design and check how a certain option would look like in a space. You can see how fast it generates everything. So then we can even go further and we can tell it add a recessed LED ceiling light, which is indirect in the parameter of the ceiling, right? So we're going to try to use as much keywords as possible here in the prompt. And by the way, one pro tip, if you noticed here in the initial prompt, if I go at the prompt, I said New York City. The one thing that I've noticed is that the AI for some reason performs a lot better when you specify a certain location. So even here, it did that completely correct. So now we can say add a contemporary pendant light. We can click send once again. So you added the pendant lighting as well. Now something else which is very cool, which I want to share with you, is that we can also add specific furniture. So for example, I can just download an image of this sofa. I can just attach the sofa and I can say replace the sofa with this one. So we can be as specific as we want with furniture as well. And in just about 9.8 seconds, we're going to have the generation of this render turned into this. And now we have the result from this into this sofa, which is exactly what we need from the image. And we can iterate from this as much as we want. So this is a new way that over 30,000 architects are already doing renders and testing options, interior designers as well. And I think this is the coolest tool out there in terms of what has come out in the recent years, and it's only getting better. There's new updates coming this summer. So if you actually want to see a full course on how I use Synapse on a real life project, you can go ahead and watch the video right here.